Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Cuckoo TV. Today we are talking about the application which is ecosystem services. What are ecosystem services? So we'll talk about it in detail, but guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel Cuckoo TV, must subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. The concept of ecosystem services, also known as nature contribution to people, describe the various benefits that people derive from nature. The biodiverse land and water directly and indirectly contribute to our well-being in many ways, including through these essential functions. Water filtration. Certain ecosystems have the ability to scrub the pollutant out of environment. Healthy intact wetlands, for example, sift out the sediment, excess nutrients and harmful chemicals, helping to keep these contaminants out of water while drinking water and ocean. And the value of biodiversity extends to an ecosystem. Smallest member, bacteria and fungi, are adept at decomposing compounds like nitrogen, a common pollutant from agricultural runoff that can lead to aquatic dead zone. One study that looked at how biodiversity serves to buffer natural ecosystem against impact of nutrient pollution revealed that streams with a variety of algae species remove nitrogen 4.5 times faster than those with only a single species of algae. Flood protection. Healthy soil that rich in bacteria, fungi and bugs in one of the most cost-effective ways to prevent flood damage and protect ecosystem during drought. In fact, for every 1% increase in organic matter in soil, cropland in the United States could store an additional 45 million gallons of water. Our amount of water that flow over Nigeria falls in 150 days. This natural flood protection is even more important as climate change intensifies. Rainfall events that inundate our farmland, cities and towns. In our recent study, the scientists found that every dollar invested into floodplain protection saved the $5 in avoided flood damages. Moreover, ecosystem restoration should be a first line of defense against the climate fueled disaster, says NRDC Community Driven Conservation Expert Army MCNAMARA. Basically, the additional 45 million gallons of water are the amount of water that flows. The amount of water is 45 million gallons and it flows over the Nigeria Fall, and the time duration for it is about 150 days. Basically, we have to be careful about the natural flood protection in the form of climate changes, and it intensify the rainfall and it inundate and farmland. Related to all that, if you have any query, You can ask it to me in the comment section and must subscribe my YouTube channel Cuckoo TV. Keep watching, keep sporting.